Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to print emails on Outlook. So for this you have to go first on Outlook. Now go to the email which you wanna print. So I'll choose this one, and now when you are in this page, go for File, and in this list you can see a print option, so tap on it and tap on print options. After that, when you are set up all these things, you can go for print. So guys, this is how you can print emails on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.